time will come. Now, can I tell you this? Verse 3, the time has come. Look at what it says. The time will come when they shall not endure sound doctrine, but after their own lusts they shall heap to themselves teachers having itching ears. And they shall turn away their ears from the truth, and they shall be turned unto fables. I believe that the preaching of the cross and the preaching of His Word is not just something we're commanded to do, preach the Word, but it's something that God blesses. In fact, the word preach here in verse 2 is the word caruso. We've studied it before. It's the word for proclaiming or speaking the truth with an uplifted voice. You're preaching the truth of God. Look what he says, continuing in verse 5. He says, "But watch thou in all things. Endure afflictions. Do the work of an evangelist. Make full proof of thy ministry." This is why we are equipping you and encouraging you to be an evangelist and to tell the good news. The word evangelist is from evangelion. It's talking about being a sharer of the good news. And so we want you to take those flyers and tell others about Jesus and tell others about Easter and all of those things. Do the work of an evangelist.